Alright YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd show you this device I purchased. It's called a HitchGrip. Made in the good old US of A. And I suppose these are sold by size, but this is for a 2 5/16 inch hitch. So I'm assuming you would buy according to what size you need. And as its name implies, it helps you maneuver your hitch with ease. And if you've ever lifted your hitch, you know how difficult that is. Those things are heavy, especially mine. So it says here, we all know life can be a challenge, but why do something the difficult way when you don't have to? For everyone who loves to RV, HitchGrip is the only tool designed to help you maneuver your hitch easily. Revolutionary tool takes the ache out of lifting, carrying, and installing your trailer hitch. So, here's your instructions. Position your hitch grip claw to either side of the hitch ball, tilt handle downward, and slide hitch grip laterally over the hitch ball to engage. Move out of the way, Pepper. Okay, and then they show you an illustration, front and back. Of course, pull your pin. And then you're able to use that handle to basically lift and extract your hitch and maneuver it, as well as reinstall it. So it says for hitch removal, reverse steps 1, 2, and 3. So looks like a pretty good tool. Again, made in the USA. It's a 2 5/16. And so let's go out there and apply this to our hitch and see how this thing works in action. So more to come. Okay, we're out here now with this hitch grip, and you can see this is a 2 5/16, and it just slides over this, and it's designed to assist you basically with lifting and removing and holding your hitch. And you know how heavy these things are, so it slides over. Then you can grip it. You can see here, and it helps you easily to lift it, move it, take it out, carry it, and it works well, actually. Now, I'm holding my camera, so I can't show you, but with this, I could grab one side and grab the shank here and easily move this. So, well worth the money. And again, it's called a HitchGrip, made in the USA. Buy the right size for your configuration. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.